Hi, welcome back. I hope you all had a great fall break. I am going to jump right into what we're doing today. So you don't have any notes today. Instead, we're going to do an online virtual lab. Like always, if you have the supplies at home to complete the lab, you're more than welcome to follow along with the videos. But if not, the videos will show you the information you need in order to answer your post-lab questions. Okay, so this is our homepage again. Remember, we go to modules. Under modules, you'll go to day 1 because it's Monday. We're going to be doing the Groundwater Lab. So in our class, what seems like forever ago, we completed notes about the interactions between groundwater and surface water. Take a second to get out your notes so you can reference them while completing today's lab. This will help you with vocabulary and understanding exactly what the lab is asking you to answer as far as questions go. We'll be discovering for ourselves how groundwater and surface water interact. You'll be completing the lab. Use the following lab sheet and follow the directions. Note, again, remember to edit the data sheet. You must make your own copy. There's a PowerPoint that walks you through how to make your own copy of the document. Here's the sheet. Again, remember you're going to want to change the share settings so that I can view the link that you submit. So we click the Groundwater Lab. You will go ahead and make a copy. Then you'll be able to edit it. So before completing the lab, you're going to read the following article and answer the questions. They go in order as you read. So you'll click the link. It's going to take you to the U.S. Geological, I can't remember what the S stands for. But you're going to read this article about groundwater and aquifers. It's a lot of what we went over in class, so just remember that as you read this. The questions go in order, so answer the questions as you read. They can go right there. Alright, now if you're online, please watch the following video of the experiment we'll be doing in class. As always, if you have the supplies, you're welcome to try this at home, but all that is required is watching the video and answering the questions. So you'll click this video, it'll take you to a YouTube page. It's about 5 minutes long, and it's going to show you the lab that we're doing in class. You're going to answer these questions. So what do they define groundwater as? Describe in the video, so specifically. Describe what happens to the water as she pours it into the container with the rocks. Describes what happens when she moves the rocks. What is surface water and what would we consider groundwater? Then for the second part of the experiment, you're going to watch another video. Same lady, same setup, but going a little bit more in depth. And you're going to answer these questions. So how do they define a well in the video? Describe how the water table changes as she pumps the water. Describe what depletes the aquifer. How do we recharge it? And for final, and the very most important question of the lab, is groundwater a renewable resource? So you're going to use your observations from this lab as a reference to answer this claim. So that's one of our main questions that we're going to be talking about when we talk about groundwater. Is it a renewable resource? I hope you find out. So enjoy. Like I said, if you'd like to follow along and do your own lab, you're welcome to. When you're done, remember you'll click share. We're going to change, remember. Anyone with the link, make sure. If not, click the arrow. Copy the link and submit it into Canvas. All right. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.